Assalamu alaikum students. I'm your science teacher. I hope that you are fine and studying well at homes. Dear students, yesterday we studied the topic germination of seeds and its assessment. And now we will start our new topic scattering seeds. Lecture number 5 from book page 42 to 44. Okay, first of all, what is the meaning of scattering? Scattering mean फैलना या बिखरना. Okay, first of all, the learning objectives are enable you to understand or explain how the scattering of seeds take place. Means which are the possible ways for the seeds to scatter. सीड किन तरीक़ों से फैल सकते हैं या स्कैटर हो सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, डायग्नोस्टिक असेसमेंट. हैव यू एवर सीन अ स्कैटर्ड सीड? क्या आपने कभी कोई स्कैटर्ड या फैला हुआ सीड देखा है? इफ़ येस देन वेयर एंड व्हाट वाज इट्स शेप. अगर देखा है तो वो कहाँ देखा है और उसकी शेप कैसी थी. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस द अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द टॉपिक. These are the ways for a seed to get scattered. First one is seed are formed in the flower of plant. Where the seeds are present? In the flower of plant. Nature wants every seed to have the best possible chance to survive, so seeds are scattered far wide in several ways. Means without the spreading or scattering, how would the seed grow or it make a new plant? So the nature wants, means it is the natural process for the seeds to spread or scattered to become a new plant or to increase the size. Okay, some seeds are sticky or have hooks or spikes. The seeds which are having hooks or spikes, they stick to the animal. They stick to the animal means they stick to the body or the coating, the fur, hair or the outer skin of the animal, and when the animal will move from one place to another, the seed will automatically move because it is attached or sticked to the animal. Next is some seeds grow in fruit just like tomato. The fruit is eaten by animal. The seed is already present in fruit, and when the fruit will be eaten by animal, they come out of the body in animal's waste and start growing in the ground. Means if the animal is standing at one place and it is eating that fruit which is having the seed inside it, when the animal will move from one place to another to excrete its waste product, obviously the place is changed. First one's place was another and now it is present on another place after moving from that place. So this is also a possible way for seed to get scattered. Next one is some seeds are very light, which means they are blown through the air. Some seeds are quite light and having less weight, and the air is enough to blow them. Means they scattered with the help of air, hawa. Next, some seeds are not only light but also shaped like wings, which help them travel farther through the air. Means some seeds are only light but some are light and also having wings, and these wings help them to fly through the air. Okay, next point is some plants produce heavy seeds that fall to the ground because of gravity. Okay, some seeds are not light in weight but they are heavy and they fall to the ground, and after falling they will get rolled down or they will move from one place to another. Next, some seeds float on water, so can travel a long distance and scatter. When the water will move or flow, the seed will also float and move from one point to another. Okay, this is the explanation of scattering of seed or dispersal of seed with the help of diagram. You can see number 1, wind dispersal, explosion, animal dispersal, and drop and roll. The example of wind dispersal is dandelion fruit and parachutes, sycamore fruit. You can see the wings, and this is lightweight. The wind or the air will help them to fly. This is explosion. The pods dry out and flick the seeds out. Pods means this is the pod. It will get dried and the seeds will come out. Next, animal dispersal. As I told you about, some fruits are eaten by animals, and when they move from one place to another, in the droppings of the animals, the seed will get scattered. This is burdock fruit and hooks. These are the hooks you can see, and they will help the seed to get attached to the animal coats or animal's outer covering or skin. The last one method is drop and roll method. The heavy fruit fall down from the tree. It splits when it hits the ground and the seeds roll out. You can see this one. This is the heavy fruit, and when it will fall down to the ground, it will break. It will split, and the seed from inside will come out and roll out and will get scattered. Its name is horse chestnut fruit.